Hi again, it's Sunday afternoon, probably 2:30 or so, and we've managed to get all of our sonotubes in, as you can see, for our decking. And along this side there's more. This one here, I just started to put cement in. And this one here is filled. I think there's 11 in all, so we should be done by the end of the day. Don making cement, Rick standing by. And then we have another one here. Another one here. And another one here. So it's pretty much going to be decking around three sides of the house. So anyways, I think I'm getting summoned back to work to pull some cement out of the wheelbarrow. So I'll catch you in a bit.